Hello friends, welcome in my channel. Today I am introducing some insectivorous plants. Insectivorous plants are those plants which fulfill their demand of nitrogen by killing the insect and they digest itself in their body. They have a substance that is mucus-like substance and this substance helps these plants to trap the insect. I am introducing some plants of that insectivorous, which are insectivorous. These are the Nepenthes, Drosera, and this is the Venus flytrap. See the Venus flytrap? It is also known as pitcher plant because its face is just like a pitcher, a pot. Okay, inside that there is a mucus-like substance it produces and it is helpful to kill the insect, to trap the insect, and this is the main cause of trapping these insects is to fulfill their demand of nitrogen because these plants have less the deficiency of nitrogen. To fulfill that deficiency, they are killing the insect. So it is a specific fact and very interesting fact. Okay, so for this type of fact, subscribe, like my channel. Thank you.